Alright, let's work on problem number 8 here, and that is number 8 deals with scientific notation, and it asks for the product. Remember, the product is the multiplication of two numbers of 1.2 times 10 to the third, right, times 1.4 times 10 to the second. Alright, and I'm going to share a video from Khan Academy where they go over multiplying and dividing numbers that are in scientific notation form. But if you wanted to track it down, you could go to youtube.com, alright, and search for multiplying and dividing scientific notation. Alright, and that's in Khan Academy. Alright, and scientific notation in general is x, some number x times 10 to the y, okay? And a rule we have for that is, let's say we have a times 10 to the b, right, times x times 10 to the y, and that's equal to a, right, 10 to the b, x 10 to the y, right, which is also equal to a times x times 10 to the b 10 to the y, right? And we know from our rules of exponents that that is equal to a times x times 10 to the b plus y. So, and we can convince ourselves that that's the case. For example, 100 equals 10 to the second, right? 10 times 10. And we know that 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equals 10 to the second times 10 to the second, and that's also equal to 10 to the fourth. And just as a quick shortcut, we know that that's equal to 10,000, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the fourth. 10 to the fourth power. So this problem is about scientific notation in particular, and exponentiation, or just exponents in general. And to be honest, we'd probably do scientific notation differently if we had 12 fingers instead of 10, but we have 10 fingers, so that's how we do it. So the answer to this problem would be equal to 1.2 times 1.4 times 10 to the third times 10 to the second equals 1.2 times 1.4, right, times 10 to the fifth, and that would be equal to 12, 144, 156, 168. So 1.68 times 10 to the fifth would be the answer.